So the elements we've learned so far: HTML head, body, meta, title, paragraph, headings, which are H1 through H6, unordered list, ordered list, list item, a link, the anchor element, right? Or sorry, link would be linking to your CSS up in the head. Image, we haven't seen that yet. We could take a look at that. Anchor, that's creating a hyperlink. Paragraph, div, and then del and s. You know, we kind of looked at those. Those are elements. So let's just look at a few of those elements here that we didn't do: the image and the del and s, and strike through. Split vertically. All right, get rid of that. So there's link up there, link to the style sheet. And I'm going to do an image. And it asks me for the source. And so I need to have an image there, so I could go find an image. And I have an image right here, dog. And that's going to go up a level, and then up a level, and I think that's where it's at. So I'm going to go up a level and see if there's anything there, and go up one more level and see if there's anything there. And I'm not seeing dog. Maybe go up one more level, see if there's anything there. There's dog. All right, so now I have an image linked to an image. And the alt is for alternative text. So if your image doesn't show up, what text would be there holding its place? And then if we had some text here, so H1, let's do, I'm just thinking about Emmett here. H1, and they'll be given IDs, and they'll be numbered like that. And there'll be 3 of them. How do you like that, Emmett? That was sweet. And so for the first H1, we don't have divs anymore, so we could get rid of those divs. For the first ID, it's pound S1, and we're gonna just, I guess over here I'll put in the text something. Whoops, I lost it. Let me go back. Boom, something. Oh, we'll do it like this, and the content will be something. Sweet. So for the first S1, we'll do, what was it? Text transform line through. Got to come back here, take a look. Text indent, text decoration. Line through. And for this one here, we'll use the strike through element. And for this one here, we'll use the del element. And so we don't really need to do anything with those IDs. And then we'll just make H1 strike through and del font, and we'll make it 2 rem. Let's make it 4 rem, and family will be Arial. And is Arial sans serif? We'll just do sans serif. So let's look at that. Right, so something, something, something are all the same. That's kind of a cool page, actually. Cute dog. So something, something, something are all the same. But they are all the same in a different way in the code. So the first one is just text decoration line through. The second one is S, which means it's been stricken. And the third one is del. And so why would we have 3 ways to achieve the same effect? And so we have to look at the del element and the S element to understand that. So del is range of text has been deleted from a document. This can be used when rendering track changes or source code difference information, right? So, oh, this text has been deleted from this document. use del. S renders text with a strike through. Element represents things that are no longer relevant or no longer accurate. So it didn't get deleted from the document, but this is old information, right? Like, so S, strike through it. And then the last one is text decoration line through. I don't know, is there some other case where you'd use that? And, S and del, I imagine, are inline, display, inline. So I'm just looking to see if there's an inline about them. I don't see inline. But, because it's like you'd want to use that like in a sentence, like this has been stricken, it's no longer relevant. This has been deleted, it's no longer relevant. So if we change this down to just 16, and then like if we put some more text around this, and then we just kind of drop this into the middle, like I'd kind of expect to see this inline and not breaking that up. And if we do the same here, and make the second one del, right? And that needs to be 3. We aren't using IDs on those, so I'll just take them out, just to keep it simple. Right, so those are, you can see they're inline, display inline with the other text. Those elements, just like a span. So strike through and del are inline. How many people feel their minds just like numb after 3 hours of me rambling? Okay. It's a lot. It's a lot. So we've learned, we'll continue this review in the next video, but we've learned the S element and the del element, and now we've got the image element. We already know anchor, paragraph, div. We know link. We know all these right here. That's pretty good. We'll continue our review in the next video.